everybody? Right here is the missing piece to my car that I've been waiting for a very long time. So right in front of me are my brand new Street Hugger corner lights. And if y'all aren't new here, y'all would know I have custom corner lights right there, or not custom, aftermarket corner lights. And I've been waiting a very long time for these to come in. This is a mod that I've been wanting, like before I got my Corvette. I've been wanting these for a long time. So what these are essentially is LED that goes from here to here, and it has different modes. And dude, they look sick. It's gonna look great. So I've already opened these, but I have not taken them out of their packages, so they are gonna be my first reaction. But when you order these, you get the corner light itself, the left and the right. I'm gonna put these over here. I'll put them on my car for now. You get 1, 2, obviously, and then you get this box. And this box has everything you need in here, all the wires. And I'm not gonna be doing a tutorial on these, but I will put the tutorial in my comments if y'all happen to buy these, or not my comments, my description, and y'all are confused. He's made a tutorial. Sorry if I can hear my neighbor, he's weed eating, but let's get these open. They're packaged very nicely, I'll say that. So not on the car, they don't look that special. I mean, they look cool, but they're just corner lights like this, right? But when you have them on the car with the lights on, these light up, and dude, they look sick. Like, they're probably the best corner light on the market. They're really high quality. I'm really proud of what I have. I cannot wait to see these like on the car, dude. I've been waiting for these for like a long time, bro. Like, I love them. So I'm gonna get y'all a little before and after, the ones I have on right now, which keep in mind these are not the stock ones. They are the vette light ones, I believe. So I'll show y'all that, and then I'll cut to when I have these on. And they literally make the car look like a spaceship, so this is gonna fit like very well with the rear taillights I have on right now, so. Trying to do this without taking the headlights off is really hard because there's a bolt under here. But yeah, once we get that off, lights will be on. So we got one all wired up. We gotta put it in now, and then this one right here, we have to take it off and put the other one on. I'm not gonna lie, it's complicated. My dad knows how to wire. If I didn't have him, I would be screwed. It is plug and play. You just kind of have to know what you're doing. But yeah, it shouldn't take long to get the other one in. So these are where everything connects to, by the way. It runs through here, obviously, into the bulb, and up to here and to here. So you gotta get everything. We put everything under here so you couldn't see it. But yeah, so right now we just gotta get the other one in, which, like I said, shouldn't take too long, hopefully. Oh yeah, I can't wait to show y'all.
Hey, yo, Richard.
So these are what they look like on, and I love it. I think they're really nice. Like, they completely made my whole car look more like modern, unique, and I love it. I think they're really cool. So we got colors like this, the green, and then you got things like this where it's like different animations and stuff. I'm not gonna show you all of them because it's late, and there's 200 different modes, but there's a lot of different ones too. It's like Christmas ones, just like a lot of different things, and I think they're really cool. I'm a big fan. I'm gonna show all the pros and the cons tomorrow because it is late and I have work tomorrow. But yeah, I love them. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, but yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. lights. The only pros and the cons would be they look really good, but for $600 they are plastic and they're spray painted. They could be a little bit higher quality, but if that doesn't bother you, they look really good. On the car, you can't really tell there's like any of the quality issues, but for $600 you get 200 different light modes. They look really bright at night, and as with the C5s, the stock corner lights, they're not bright at all. They're just like orange. They're just plain. But I don't know. It's up to y'all if y'all think it's worth it or not. I feel like it could be a little bit cheaper, but I'm not the one selling it, and I am happy with the product. It makes my car stand out. Like at car shows, you can just leave it on. They have a running DRL mode, and then they have a mode on your phone that you can customize and everything like I showed you in the beginning. So with the app, you have tons of different options. You have 200 different modes. You have just normal colors that you can do. You can adjust all these different colors over here. And then you have brightness, which, you know, changes the brightness obviously. And then you got speed. And I have my speed set all the way to the max right now because it makes it, you know, move faster obviously. You can just sit here, and so far it hasn't really drained my battery at all, which is a good thing. For it being the only lights like this on the market, I think they are worth it when he drops. I'm gonna put the website in my description so y'all can check it out if you really are interested. They go with my pop-up lights, so I really like that. For quality over look, I really wouldn't recommend it because the quality could be just a little bit better. But other than that, there's not really any complaints. We did rewire it a little bit different because it doesn't come with wrap around the wires, and I really don't want my car to burn down, so we did that. If that's also a concern for you, you can always do that yourself, but for the product, I am happy with it. There's not really much more to say. I mean, I'm really happy with the product. Just let me know in the comments below if you like it a lot, and